Hello, my name is Annie, and this is my room in Kenefick Hall. So Kenefick is a sophomore residence hall, and I live here with my one roommate, and this is our two-person efficiency room. When you walk in, we first have our little entryway here, which we just like to put all of our shoes and all of our cleaning supplies. It's really good storage there. And then in here is going to be our kitchen. So I actually love baking and I like cooking meals. We actually brought this island, which really helped to add some more counter space. This way we have our living area. So we have two couches here. So the room came with one couch, and then we brought this inflatable couch because it's really comfortable and it fits way more people. All of the wood furniture also came with the room, which is really nice because we have plenty of storage with the drawers as well as surfaces with the coffee tables. We also like to decorate with fun little touches that kind of help bring the space together. So then over this way we have kind of just extra kitchen appliances. So the room did not come with a microwave, so we got one of those, and then we also just have our Keurig there for tea and stuff. So this is the way into our bathroom. We have a sink, a toilet, and then a tub shower. And then over here is kind of just where we get ready in the morning. So we each have a wardrobe for our clothes. And then here we have our desk, which we can do homework or get ready. Back here is what we call the bunk room. So this is where we put both of our beds. Basically, we just put our beds and then we all each have our lights, and it's just a cozy little back corner.